Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. But before we do this problem, we have to know two trig identities, because that is going to be the main thing in these kind of questions. So the first one is sine square x is equal to half times 1 minus cos 2x, and the second one cos square x is going to be same thing, but here we are going to have plus 1 plus cos 2x. So these are the two things we have to know before we solve this. So let's do this one. This one I can rewrite this one as 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 plus sine theta d theta, right? And if you multiply this one, we will get 1 times 1, 1. 1 times sine theta, then sine theta times 1 sine theta, then sine theta times sine theta, sine square theta d theta, right? Then we can simplify this one furthermore and say 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta d theta. And here I can apply this one right here, the first one. So if I apply that one, this is going to give me 1 plus 2 sine theta, and instead of this one I plug that values, that is half times 1 minus cos 2x d theta, right? Now we have everything. Now let's simplify this one furthermore. This is going to be 1 plus 2 sine theta plus half minus cos 2x divided by 2, this theta, cos 2 theta divided by 2, then all together d theta, right? All together d theta. Now it's easy to integrate, but before that I can add this 1 and half together. That's going to be 3 by 2 plus 2 sine theta minus, so here we have minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 all together d theta. Now I can integrate this one. So if I integrate this one is going to give me 3 divided by 2, actually is theta, right? Theta. Here we are going to have 2 sine theta, so derivative of this one is going to be, integral of this one is going to be cos theta, so this is going to be 2 cos theta, and here we are going to have cos theta, so it's going to be actually this one minus, derivative integral of sine is minus cos theta, so this is minus integral of cos theta is going to be sine theta, so here we are going to have sine 2 theta divided by 2, we already have 2, so 2 times 2 is going to be 4 all together, and this is our integral plus constant. Now that is our final answer. And let's do this problem right here. We have sine square cos square dx. So same approach, we replace this sine square and cos square with these values. So let's do that one first. Sine square is going to be half time 1 minus cos 2x. Then cos square is going to be half times 1 plus cos 2x dx, right? Then I can bring the half and half to the front since it's a constant. 1 over 4 integral 1 minus cos 2x 1 plus cos 2x 1 minus cos 2x 1 plus cos 2x dx. Like this is like a plus b, a minus b pattern, so we know this is going to be a square minus b square. So this is going to be 1 over 4 integral 1 square, that is 1, minus b square, that's going to be cos square 2x. So cos square 2x dx, and then we do this one right here. We substitute this value, so this is going to be 1 over 4 integral of 1 minus, if I substitute this thing, one thing I can do right here, we know that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, right? So here we have 1 minus cos square x, so I can replace this one with sine square x, and that makes everything simpler. So let's replace this one with sine square x, sine square 2x dx. Then if I substitute this value for sine square x, sine square, that's going to be half times 1 minus cos 2x dx, and if I can bring the half to the front, that's going to be 1 over 8 1 minus cos integral of 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now this is easy to integrate, that's going to be 1 over 8, we are going to have x right here, and this is going to be simply sine 2x divided by 2 dx. Now I multiply everything by 1 over 8. This is constant right here. This is constant, and if I multiply everything by 1 over 8, this is going to be x over 8 minus sine 2x divided by 16. It looks like there's some mistake right here. Let's see, let's figure it out. So sine square 2x 1 over 8 cos 2x squared sine square 2x. This one, if you notice, this one sine square 2x, like when we have x, we have 2x right here. So here we have 2x right here. So this one should become 4x. This one should become 4x. So this is 4x divided by 4, and that gives us sine 4x over 32. And that is our final answer, 32 plus constant. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.